This plant was healthy for many years, but its leaves started to dry, becoming yellow and dropped many leaves. So how to save this plant from dying? There are two main reasons for Croton dropping leaves. Not receiving proper heat, light and humidity, or frequent changes in these environmental conditions. And due to some disease on the plant. How to stop further leaf drop and how to save your Croton plant from dying and procedure for fixing up the problem. First, look for heat and light conditions. Relocate the plant if in AC room. Too hot or too cold temperature or sudden fluctuations in temperature due to AC air current can drop leaves. Remove the plant if near a door which opens frequently, creating air drafts. If in dark place, relocate the plant in brighter location as low light can also drop leaves. Now look for humidity conditions. Look at the leaves. If they are firm, it means the plant has not been overwatered. The soil looks dry. Put your finger 1 inch inside the soil. It is dry, it means the roots, especially the roots at the bottom in the pot, are not getting enough water, so the bottom leaves have fallen. Add a thick layer of mulch to contain moisture in soil. Water the plant until it starts to drain out from the drainage holes. Water should be at room temperature, as hot or cold water can also drop the leaves. Never allow the soil to dry out completely. The soil should be consistently moist but do not overwater. Water only when top 1 inch soil is dry. Mist the leaves during hot weathers to increase humidity. Periodically clean the leaves with a damp cloth to remove dust to improve photosynthesis. Pest and disease control. Spray neem oil on leaves once a month to kill insects. Wash the leaves with liquid dishwashing soap to kill spider mites. Due to all these care of your Croton plant, I hope new healthy leaves will grow on the plant.